Alright, so the next thing I want to talk about regarding isolation is lighting and your ability to be able to see the natural lashes. So I do recommend using artificial lighting. It's up to you which type. Actually, Lox Lash is bringing out these amazing lamps, which will be available in the next month or so. But I do recommend using artificial light instead of natural light. The reason being is we're working in an extremely small world here with lashes. And if your lighting is not adequate, then you won't be able to see the natural lashes, which will then affect your isolation, it will affect your placement, etc., etc. The other thing is your ability to be able to see the natural lashes. Now, even if you have great vision in your normal everyday thing, I would still recommend, it's not a necessity, but I'd still recommend it, that you use some form of glasses. You can go to the chemist and get those cheap $10 glasses, the magnifying glasses, or maybe you want to use a magnifying headlamp, which makes you look really cool. But the moral to the story is you want to make sure that you can actually see the lashes well.